Hi, my name is Sonia. I'm part of the Secondary Green Team, and as part of our Earth Week initiatives, we had an assembly which we talked about multiple different things. We talked about how to compost properly as part of our new composting system. We also had a pep rally style event where we had all the house teams spread out and sort trash into the right recycling bins. We had paper recycling, the plastic recycling, and a normal garbage bin. And this helped us better identify where people are struggling to recycle properly. This was just one of the things that we did for Earth Week. We also did multiple other things. We did a meatless Monday to cut down on the emissions that our food produces. We had a blackout day where we kept all the lights off. We had a tree planting at a visually impaired orphanage. We did trash and fashion, which is where people wear their trash to show how much trash we make. And then we did a little fashion show of what everyone was wearing. We also did a Techless Tuesday to emphasize on tech addiction and how technology can be used for good but is often used for bad, and it can be really harming to mental health of teenagers.
My name is Naomi and I'm a 6th grade student here at PSI, and I'm a member of Green Team, which is basically a committee where students can express their passion for helping solve climate change, and we take issues like food waste and try to solve them with solutions like composting, and we really try to help make PSI a greener and more sustainable place for all our students, staff, and employees. Green Team is a platform where students can express their passion for climate change, and throughout our efforts we've become a certified eco school and are now the only eco school in Ukraine, which has been our really big goal and we've been working on for several months now. We've taken steps like introducing composting and recycling to our students, staff, and employees, and have become more of a sustainable school because of those efforts.
In the shed in front, you should put only paper, and in the dumpster in the back, only mixed recycling. Don't throw the bag in, put it in carefully, and don't forget to tie it.
We at PSI have come up with a great way to help our environment. There are 3 different types of recycling bins: the paper, the mixed, and the battery recycling bins. Plastic, glass, and aluminum cans go in the mixed recycling bins. It is crucial to use the correct bin when throwing away your recycling. When the recycling bins are full, we take out the bag, tie it, and replace it with a new bag. Well, I'm off.
These recycling bins are the house teams. You throw in the mixed recycling. They're located in Building C lobby and Building A lobby.
By placing your mixed recycling into your house team bin, you can earn points for your house team. 1 full bin is worth 10 points, while half a bin is worth 5 points.
So far this year, Libet is in the lead with 300 points, followed by Kyiv with 270, Kyiv with 255, and Czech with 230.
Since we started the House Team Recycling Challenge last year, we have collected over 180 full bags of recycling.
Hi, my name is Kendall Jackson and I am part of the Green Committee. The Green Committee is made up of 3 parts. We have the Primary Green Team, the Secondary Green Team, and the Adult Green Team. I get to work with the Primary Green Team, which you will hear about later. They're doing lots of wonderful projects, but I'm also with the Adult Green Team. We have been focusing on developing sustainable events at school, such as promoting Sustainability at International Night or the PTA Fun Run. We're also looking at sustainable products that we can have at school, either school supplies or cleaning products.
Hi, we're the Butterfly Garden. In Green Team, we are trying to attract as many butterflies as possible by growing plants.
Been working hard to fill in the planting boxes and getting other things ready. For example,
we grew marigold seeds and petunias, and then we'll put them in our school garden.
This is important because we want to show how important nature is. Butterflies pollinate flowers and help flowers grow.
Green Committee has started putting compost bins around the school. The big compost bins are near the buses.
Some of the classes are having their own compost. The composts are greens and browns. We encourage other classes that don't have compost to have them.
This is how to compost. First you need 2 bins. One's bigger, which is the browns, one smaller, which is the greens. Then you label them. Then you can start filling up. Within the greens you can put apple cores, banana peels, and etc. And the browns you can put tissue paper with no blood and tissues and etc. And then once you fill them up, you can bring them out to the big compost bins that are near the buses. You put the compost in and then you can crank it to let air in so it doesn't smell.
Browns are bigger than the greens because if there are too many greens, the compost starts to smell really badly. After a while, the compost turns into really rich soil that we can then use for gardening.
You can also add earthworms to the compost. This is one of Green Team's major projects. They've been working on it for more than 4 months. We're almost succeeded, but we just need to get a few more classes in the compost bins.
We've also been hard at work looking at curricular links throughout the school from EC all the way up to 12th grade.